See it? When you take off, whole timing chain out. You must take off elbow and the molding. You must take off like that. Save your time. When assembly, back, put back, easy for you. Undo and installation easy. Alright? That's why the tip for you when you do a job, don't do it like YouTube. YouTube take out everything out. Somebody an idiot take all engine out. Waste the time. Do mechanic must think about it. Use the brand. More. You see it when you do it. You see. The rocket here inside. I take off the body already. Don't need a tool. You see it? Only tool for the rocket, but the flywheel. You see it? The seal very carefully. When you do the take off the body, harmonic body, and put back and take off a harmonic body with 2 bolts, the hex torch bolt, you must do it exactly. Don't use the bar or like screwdriver. The put in make damage for the range seal. You see it? Range seal idea, you know. You do a job, do properly. Okay? So everybody, my experience when you do the electric car, everything. I don't need to rope fit everything. Because I old man already, I seen years. Electric car mechanic so off, but tip how you do a job. Some young man mechanic, they don't know. They talk a lot, theory, but you don't know how to do it. You see it? I saw everybody, I help everybody, support everybody. I don't care. When I die, and I bring my spirit to the earth. Thank you everybody. This is for me.